Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to the another video. Okay, in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can detonate. Not exactly I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna detonate, but before that you need to take the snapshot of the machine. So I have it here JPEG file, and I download already the the labs that I show you the in last video. So make sure आप ये सब download कर लें अपने VM machine में. Make sure you downloading this in VM machine. So we have to take the snapshot. So go to the machine and you will find out the take snapshot. Okay, so snapshot basically क्या करेगा? Snapshot एक जो machine की state है अभी उसका एक snapshot लेके रख लेगा. So you can take the snapshot, and after we detonating the malware inside the same VM, so we can take the another snapshot and we're gonna compare that snapshot to find out what's modified happen and what's it doing. So as you see, I have download already the all labs all. So we're gonna use the boss fight wannacry.exe, that is the ransomware. So the password is the infected password, infected ही रहेगा, ठीक है, infected, I mean the password जो है infected है. So just drag and drop. और again guys, once again I'm telling you, make sure you doing this in virtual machine, because ransomware जो है बहुत ही critical type का malware है, ठीक है. So I hope you guys detonate this or unzip in only in VM. So make sure we're gonna in labs and we're gonna download, I mean unzip the boss fight wannacry.exe. So make sure you're doing the same things in your virtual machine in Windows 10 that we install, and we install the Flare VM. Okay, so again I'm still warning you, like make sure you're doing this in only in virtual machine. Don't try to do in your मेन मशीन में. मेन मशीन में करेंगे तो आपके सिस्टम को बहुत हार्म होगा, ठीक है. और रैंसमवेयर है ये जो हम जिस पे हम डेटोनेट करने वाले हैं, जिसको हम डेटोनेट करने वाले हैं अपने वर्चुअल मशीन को, ठीक है, वर्चुअल मशीन में, सॉरी. सो या, so we will do this rest of the part in the next video. Okay, so okay, so just do just this video just for teaching you to how you can take the snapshot and what is the concept of the taking the snapshot. हम snapshot इसीलिए ले रहे हैं कि हमारा जो अभी नॉर्मल स्टेट है उसका snapshot हमें मिल जाए, और जब हम डेटोनेट करेंगे मालवेयर को, एज आई सेड, तब डेटोनेट करने के बाद फिर हम एक स्नैपशॉट लेंगे, फिर हम उस स्नैपशॉट को कंपेयर करेंगे दैट anything wrongs happen, then we can recover our all files, that we don't need to go through the all process, like we don't need to install again the Flare VM and others tools. So that's why and there are another also benefit, we can compare also what modification happening, like before this, like पहले स्टेट कैसी थी विंडो की और आफ्टर डेटोनेटेड तब कैसी है विंडो की स्टेट, ठीक है. सो ये हेल्प करता है हमें मालवेयर को समझने में. ओके, सो आई होप यू गाइस अंडरस्टैंड. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ओके.